Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Luxury Kings. Here are the 10 most expensive stop motion films of all time. Number 10, Corpse Bride, $40 million. Tim Burton has become an icon for his stop motion feature films. He's recognized for his work on The Nightmare Before Christmas and Frankenweenie, but Corpse Bride is his most expensive stop motion endeavor to date. The film was co-directed by stop motion expert Mike Johnson. It featured digital cameras, which increased the price, as well as several brand new amateurs in animatronics with movable limbs and facial adjustments that were designed and made by puppet fabrication expert Graham G. Maiden.
It's charm and strife.
I'm not dead.
About a timid young man and the love of his life.
Victoria!
Number 9, Chicken Run, $45 million. Chicken Run was produced by the iconic British-based stop-motion company Aardman Animations, along with U.S. animation staple DreamWorks. In addition to a time-consuming production featuring a mainly clay aesthetic, the feature also utilized the voices of several prominent actors, featuring Mel Gibson and Julia Sawalha. Number 8, Isle of Dogs, $50 million. Isle of Dogs was Wes Anderson's second venture into stop motion after Fantastic Mr. Fox, which narrowly missed this list with a production budget of $40 million. This feature was an international endeavor and was produced by the American company Indian Paintbrush. The German company Studio Babelsberg shot in the United Kingdom, set in Japan, and premiered at the Berlin Film Festival. The film was a critically acclaimed success despite its smaller box office numbers and was nominated for multiple Academy Awards. Number 7, The Pirates Band of Misfits, $55 million. This production was also produced by Aardman Studios, and in addition to being in stop motion, it was also released in 3D. The film's large budget was partially due to its cast of iconic voice actors ranging from Salma Hayek and Hugh Grant to Jeremy Piven. The film was a box office success and earned over $123 million, more than doubling its budget.
Come out of the cupboard.
Number 6, Kubo and the Two Strings, $60 million. The production of Kubo and the Two Strings took place at the famed stop-motion studio Leica, based out of Portland. The studio was founded in part by Nike Air Travis Knight, who also directed the film, making it his feature film debut. Despite its budget and the reputation of the stop-motion studio, the film only made $76 million worldwide. This didn't stop the film from receiving 2 Academy Awards, including for Best Visual Effects, becoming only the second stop-motion film to be nominated within the category.
Your family is very powerful. Your mother used her magic to save you.
Number 5, The Box Trolls, $60 million. The Box Trolls was a much more commercially successful release for Leica Studios. The film made over $108 million and was based on the novel Here Be Monsters by Alan Snow. The film also featured a star-studded cast that included diverse celebrities such as Ben Kingsley, Elle Fanning, Toni Collette, and Simon Pegg. In addition to being in stop motion, the film was also shot in 3D. Number 4, Paranorman, $60 million. Paranorman made history within the stop-motion community and altered the future of the medium forever. It was the first stop-motion feature to utilize a 3D color printer to create characters' faces. This allowed for a diverse range of emotions that could simply be replaced on the different puppets. There were over 8,000 faces alone printed for the main character, giving a new liveliness to the intricately animated puppets. Number 3, Coraline, $60 million. Coraline combined the esteem of Leica's production studio with the creative ingenuity of Henry Selick, who directed the film. He is known for also having directed the iconic stop-motion features The Nightmare Before Christmas and James and the Giant Peach. The opening weekend of the film proved successful and grossed over $16.85 million, culminating in a total gross of over $124 million worldwide, over doubling the film's budget.
After all, you still need to find your old parents.
Number 2, The Little Prince, $77.5 million. The Little Prince was a technical achievement that interwoven traditional stop motion with computer animation. Due to a voice cast featuring iconic actors like Jeff Bridges, James Franco, and Ricky Gervais, the film became successful after its release and grossed over $97.6 million worldwide. The film became the most successful French animated film of all time.
I forgot all about being a child.
Number 1, Missing Link, $102 million. Despite being the most expensive stop-motion film featured on this list, Missing Link is also known for being one of the largest flops within the stop-motion industry. The film only made $26.5 million, resulting in a loss of over $101.3 million. There were over 110 sets created for the film, with over 65 unique locations, and featured a mix of both stop-motion and CGI. Stop motion is an innovative field of animation that continues to survive due to its niche stylings and consistent nominations at the Academy Awards.
Oh. Wait a second. I said, oh, like I knew what you were talking about, but I don't.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Lastly, remember to leave your comment down in the comment section and share the video.